I'm trying to make 3 parallel lines on the face of this piece of maple for grooves that I'll ultimately put on there from the router table. And I'm having a hard time figuring out how to do that with my tape measure. Here's a Shop Tip Wood magazine to show you how a simple combination square is the answer to my problems. Now, to convert this combination square to a measuring tool, I'm just going to take a punch like this, and in the groove I'm going to set the punch at 1 inch and make a mark. At the drill press I'll drill a 1/16 inch hole, and let me show you then how this works. Now, I want to divide this 6-inch board with 3 parallel lines, so I need 1.5 inches, 3, and 4.5. With the hole in my ruler, the pencil goes through that hole, and as long as I add 1 inch to that measurement, I know I'll get the exact measurements I'm looking for. So the first one is 1.5 inches, and here it's marked 2.5. And again, all I do is put my pencil in the hole and use the bottom of the square as a guide and put my first line in. So 1.5 inches then becomes 3. And again, using the hole, here's my second line. And lastly, 4.5, like so. 3 perfect parallel lines, combination square, and a little hole. There couldn't be anything easier and more accurate.